Okay, so today's video is on the Samsung S10. Now, as you'll know, I have filmed with the OnePlus 5T for the last 2 years. I did say that it was the best camera that I've used. However, S10, top notch. If you follow my channel, you will know that there's a film that I've done. It's entirely shot on the S10, apart from 2 shots which are right at the start, and they are the drone shots. However, as you would expect from any camera nowadays, you have your wide angle lens, your portrait lens, and then your close-up macro lens. I used every single one of these whilst filming last week when I first got the camera. Now, because I've only used it for a week, I can't fully comment on any of the other features of the phone properly. However, in using the camera functions, I was blown away. The overall quality of the image and the colour profile of the image is fantastic. I've not looked fully into getting a sort of flatter colour profile, however I do believe it is possible. Even then, there is still a lot of scope to be able to tweak in post with the images that you get out of the camera as it shoots 4K. The only gripe I would have about this is the slow-mo and super slow-mo. Now, understandably, it down reses, so it goes down in quality for the higher frame rates. That's nothing that I'm going to complain about. It's fully expected for a phone. The main thing that is the issue is, for super slow-mo in particular, it dictates when you pick it. You kind of capture half of a movement sort of thing. So in a very live environment, the likes of performers or just in general day-to-day life that you want to capture something cool in slow motion, it is not really practical, as it has a buffer zone whereby it doesn't actually record the thing, so you get half the action. In the normal slow-mo, it is very easy to use. However, again, because I've only used it for a week, I have not yet found a particular way of making sure that the areas that you want are captured in slow-mo. I have yet to play around fully with that, so this in fact is not a full review. I will update in the description below, and if I do any short films in the future, I will tag when I use the phone for certain things. Coming to my main point, the phone is a fantastic option. Now, everybody's saying that the iPhone is the best option for vloggers. However, this phone, if you are an Android user, is a great option for you. The front-facing camera is extremely wide compared to my OnePlus 5T, without knocking my T over. Compared to that, the angle on the front-facing camera is fantastic. It captures so much around you. So in the fact that you are using an everyday item that everybody already uses for FaceTime, Skype, etc., you kind of eliminate as much of the anxiety about vlogging in public as possible. It's kind of became a social norm to be able to video call people in public. So with that, I'd say it's a great option for a camera for the likes of vlogging. And for the cinematic B-roll, you can be a judge of it yourself by the film that I created. All that being said, I just thought I'd put this video out straight after my short film, just to comment on how I felt the camera worked. The photography on it is really good. I have shot a few things and actually really liked it. I'm going to shoot more in RAW and see what I can do Instagram wise, so keep an eye on my social media handles down below. However, with all that being said, I will leave it here. Hopefully you found it kind of interesting. If not, leave a comment down below and slate me for it. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace. Oh my god. What are the eyes? As well. As well. What? Have a good day.